Kene ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University ya ka baga sokar jala kratho shaka UGC man pan ga itu nakani ka bor pnya ya ki university. Kadau kalong baga sokar jala kalarai ba baro ki college ki ba Pyniasoh nani ki affiliate ba ka Northeastern Hill University. Mentagin Pyniasoh na ba ka State University ka dan hapo Kar Hills kana man like na exam CUET.
You should try for experience. But to me, yes, for the Central University, CUT may be compulsory in the days to come. However, with respect to the state Meghalaya, those institutions who wants to affiliate with the state university, and many of the state institutions will be affiliated to the Captain Sangma Williamson State University from this year, and the work is on the process, and these are the update as of now. And I would like to thank the Union Higher Education Ministry, Government of India, the Honorable Minister, Honorable Chief Minister for taking up the matter with the Ministry.
Kandat kanta hadi ke Japan Pau jong Education Minister jong soka jala ora kam Sangma ka seng khasi Students Union kala yang persya jur ya kan ke jing pemana ka sarkar takaba ka ong baka sokar kamla manle marwai kham da kan jok tilen kham des lok barki college barki wipat ke badan menta haga penya ya ki college ka jalla antar ko de beja slok barki kwi kikpa ki nohikai ki samla puli barki seng ke bape shaban shim ya kan rai ka seng ke SU ka kruwa ba apply do junat secretary usama Donald Thama kala pen kan mau baka shlong ga de kan nongba jong kan jalla barki ba pu ne ki college ki de ke badan hakani kan nongba kamla banlong baki college kinha bane Pyniasoh baka university ka badan shigawi pat ke bentala ni shami i jong ka jilla seng ka pekan maru ya ka jingja jong ka snam arajar san haka bide bat ka Mbose haka bala mi shibun ki kunram bala mi ru ka jing klumar hadu ki babon ki khot ka seng kila syakam baka jing seng jong ka sarkar ka administrative unit ni ka administrative office ka badan apa shillong nadu ka tika snam kalawan ra ya ki jabe ya jenti akabede baga jing trikam jong ka Mbose ka seng kala pekan maru ya ka jing wan jong ka regional office jong ka Mbose shillong hak balakli do executive director ka yarap shiboni ki samla pulei haki college ki baper ka seng ka angru ka bahnya 4% ki college ki don hak than mingi ka jala hata ka bri unyo trap kam nyap setiap Pyniasoh baka university ka don chuke ka than ka bajngai na nong ba shillong khaddu ka seng kala dawa baka soka ka de panchai ba lo ka ni maka shep ding yo mi biang sak Mbose ka baar